Hi, and welcome to Deep Zone Meditation. I'm so glad you're here. This is a space created just for you, a place to pause, breathe, and find a little calm amidst the storm. Whether you're new to meditation or it's already part of your day, my goal is to guide you through simple, heartfelt practices that bring peace, clarity, and balance. Here, you'll find guided meditations for stress relief, better sleep, self-discovery, and more. Each session is designed to meet you wherever you are. No pressure, no rush, just a moment to reconnect with yourself. I'll be posting new meditations every week, so there's always something fresh to explore. If this resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a session. Let's take this journey together, one breath at a time. Whenever you're ready, settle in and let's begin.